Okay guys, so I'm here at Walmart and I'm looking at back to school clothes for free assembly, and they're having a lot of clearances and a lot of good deals for back to school clothes for the young men. So if you're looking to go back to school shopping, come to Walmart, and free assembly has some really stylish and nice clothes even on clearance here at Walmart. Look at this, you guys. Matching short set for the guys. Supposed to be clearance. I thought it was supposed to be $8, but it says 13, so I'm not sure. You know how it is at Walmart. But look at the shorts that match, you guys. The shorts are 12. Isn't that cute? I shouldn't probably be using the word cute for guys, but here's the dark blue one. I like the dark blue one. And then here's the shorts that go with it. Isn't that neat, you guys? Oh my goodness. And they have the boxer briefs here for $15.98. You only get 5 of them. What a ripoff for the guys. These are so expensive for only 5 boxers. Okay, I don't know. Okay, and here it has 13 boxers. I'm not sure if this is the one that is $15.98 or not. I'm not sure, but in this one you get 13 boxers, and in here you get 12 ankle socks for $14. You guys, they got the Fruit of the Looms underwear for $17.49. $17.49.